Okay, Brad, what you do or don't do at your desk can cause neck pain, upper trap pain, or back pain. We'll show you how not to do it.
That's right.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, the first thing we'll talk about, Brad, is the neck pain. Very common with a laptop because it's not high enough,
Right.
the screen.
Even with a regular computer, it can be
Exactly.
true. The screen is low, it pulls your head down without thinking about it, particularly when you're involved with your work and you're thinking about your work. And this, over a period of time, 20, 30 minutes, is going to cause tightness in the muscles.
I think it'll make you cry.
I will cry, Bob. I may say some bad words, though.
Sure.
Oh. Okay, Bob. So a little remedy for this, you just need to elevate that screen. You can buy elevators. You can just use books, or we got
a box.
box and put that there and get it up higher so that your eyes, if you draw a horizontal line, goes about to the top half of the screen. There's a little variance there. I may even raise this up if you would happen to have
Electric desk.
yeah, which a lot of people do not. So you use whatever you can to get it up elevated. If it is one like this and you can get a keyboard
Right.
that's wireless and get it connected up, you can put that down on your lap actually, and that helps the position of your arms. You got your neck in a better position. So make adjustments.
All right, Brad, I want to take a second to mention our huge giveaway.
Oh.
We're giving away a desk and a chair.
Oh, actually, that is physically huge.
Right. It's for Flexispot's 6th anniversary.
Oh, really? Excellent job.
And they're also having Tech Day
Yes.
from September 7th through 9th, where they have a
They
huge sale.
They give away their techs?
Nope,
Just wondering.
like up to $200 off.
Oh, really? On a number of their products.
Right.
Okay, good
So
deal.
I'll link below. Right now, Mike will show us the desk.
Oh, okay, good. Mike, you're on.
This is the Flexispot Pro Plus E7 standing desk. Let's talk about it. With the press of a button, you can go from a seated to a standing position. This desk is suitable for people 4'2" up to 6'4" tall. So this desk has a dual motor system, has thick carbon steel legs, and it can hold up to 355 pounds of weight. Another feature of this desk is the embedded cable tray. You can hide your cables from your computer, your monitor, speaker system, all in here to make a nice clean workstation. So this advanced keypad has numerous options here. You can go up and down with the arrows. You can select 3 different height presets. So if you find a height you like, you can program it in there and just select that height with the simple push of a button. It also has a child lock, which is the M, and it also has a sit to stand reminder button, which is the A. On the side, you will find a USB charging port too, so you can charge your phone from the keypad. The last feature of this desk is the anti-collision feature. If I'm lowering my desk and bump into an object, the desk will simply stop and rise back up. When ordering on Flexispot, you can select a T frame, which we have here. They also have a C frame option where the support beam is more on one side. It can also come in different colors. Here we have white. You can also choose a black option. The desktop itself is also customizable on their website. You can choose from a variety of different materials and colors. For more information about the Flexispot Pro Plus standing desk, please check the description box below.
So the second source of pain is often the upper trapezius muscle. And what that's caused by if your shoulder blade is depressed.
Ooh. My shoulder blade is depressed
All
right
right.
there, Bob.
Right. So it's lower than it should be.
Yes.
And it causes these muscles to work harder. So we got to get that shoulder blade back up. One way is, Brad, do you want to show on the chair?
Yep. Get some support so those muscles don't have to work and they can relax.
Right.
So you can take a pillow, put it here. If you got an adjustable armrest, that will work. A lot of chairs do not have that, so you can put a pillow in there, and actually it's more comfortable. Anyways, my shoulder's definitely more relaxed just putting that there.
Right. Plus, you can adjust the desk to have the keyboard right.
Right, exactly. You want
Right.
to make sure it's not too low, or get it up where it belongs.
You want to show when you're at leisure, Brad?
When I'm at least,
Oh, the pillow underneath the arm.
right. So like if I was in a recliner.
Right.
Yeah, and then you may put it here.
We'll stick it like this, Brad. Sorry.
Like what?
I'm like this.
Oh,
Actually,
what's the difference?
it
Bob?
helps elevate.
Oh, yeah, I get it. I just give them a hard time. Yeah, so get that a little bit. It's amazing how you get that in there. And you
Right.
can feel that, those muscles relax, and it is a support.
I know what I'm doing. Okay, the final thing is back pain, Brad. It quite often caused by way too much sitting. So you can do one or two things. You can stand for a
Yep.
while, or you can actually go for a walk. So, at work you may not be able to go for a walk. So you can, if you have a desk, you can raise it.
Yeah.
Or if you're at home,
These are becoming so much more popular. A lot of workplaces are getting them for their employees. And yeah, and then stand and work at this level. And this is where you really need to have a separate keyboard.
Right.
Otherwise, if you're up like this, you're going to have problems
Exactly.
as well. So the adjustment, you got to get it just right. And you may change the adjustment within 6 inches or so, depending on your body. But yeah, getting up and walking and getting that movement in the back. is
even
helpful.
for a minute.
Right, if you just gotta walk to the
Get a
restroom
drink
and
of
back.
water,
Yep,
right.
exactly.
The final thing you can do is get a good back chair.
Right.
And Mike will go over the details of this chair right now.
Right.
Thanks, Mike.
This is the Flexispot Ergonomic Chair Pro. Let's talk about it. So this chair has many adjustable features. First, we're going to look at the headrest. So you can adjust the headrest by pulling it up or pushing it down. The next adjustable feature we're going to talk about are the armrests. So you can adjust them up and down, forward and back, or you can also pitch them in or out. The next adjustable feature I want to talk about is the back support. Now you can go in a reclined or straight up position, and you can lock it anywhere in between so it doesn't move. You can also adjust the tension on this to give you more or less support. The last adjustable feature I want to talk about is the seat. You can adjust the height like any normal chair, but you can also adjust the seat pan depth, so I can go forward or backward and pick which position feels best to me. The back support is made of two different types of plastic. Up top we have a soft plastic, and down below we have more of a firm plastic. The soft plastic will conform to your body weight, making the chair more comfortable for you. For more information about the Flexispot Ergonomic Chair Pro, please check the description box below.
So, as reminders, we're giving away a chair and a desk,
Yes.
and Flexispot is having their 6th anniversary sale.
The big 6. I remember when I was 6 years old.
So, I don't. Happy anniversary!